you? I hope you're fine. Today our topic is area in perimeter and volume. Grade 7 Cambridge course. Now here are the summary. So whenever we are measuring area of anything, if you have any unit like meter, so it's after finding area, if you write here meter square or kilometer square or centimeter square. So here they mention here you're talking about volume, so you just put here centimeter cube, millimeter cube, meter cube. 18.1 converting between unit of for area means you just tell us in this first chapter exercise 18.1 we will learn about units. Now here whenever you are measuring the area of football pitch, so which unit did you use? You are using meter. So whenever we find the areas, we are using meter square. If you have a shape that has area 5 centimeter square, what is the area of shape in square millimeter? Means you convert meter to centimeter to millimeter. So as we know that 1 centimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. Okay, I never say millimeter only, I say millimeter square. So in reality, so 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. But if you're talking about square, so 1 square, 1 centimeter square equal to 10 square is 100. So 100 millimeter square. So that is the reason he's multiplying 5 multiplied by 100 to convert this centimeter into millimeter. Here he mentioned here. These are some area of unit. So if we remember this, so it's easy for us. Let's suppose if we are converting kilometer square to meter square, so we are just multiplying 1000 square. 1000 square means there are 60 if you put. So you multiply that number, so you will get your answer. If you convert meter square to centimeter, so you multiply 100 square means 100 that you call it 10,000. When you convert centimeter square to millimeter square, so you multiply 10 square. 10 square is equal to 100 millimeter. When you go back, so you divide it by 10 square. When you go back from here, centimeter to meter, so divide by 100 square and meter to kilometer, so it's equal to 1000 square. If you have simple sides, so you write millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. But in case of area, you write here SQ means square millimeter or millimeter square, centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square. Here our question, what unit would you use to measure the area of postage stamp? Did you know what is postage stamp? Here it's a postage stamp. So which unit you are using? Millimeter. If we are talking about note, bank note, so we are using centimeter. And if we are using tennis court, here is your tennis court, so we are using meter square. So if you're talking about screen, so we are using, here is the screen, so we are also talking about meter square. So here is your first answer, millimeter square, centimeter square, meter square and meters. As it is same, 6 centimeter square equal to how many millimeter? That is 600 millimeter square. Because we know it's multiply by 100 to get our answer, as it is same here and here. So if you convert centimeter square to meter square, so you divided by what? As you study here, centimeter to meters, so 10,000 you are dividing. So when I divided by 10,000, so what number I get? I get 2.